Hello Galactic family. Saint Germain told us recently in an hour with the angel that we are being bathed by various energies. One was the tsunami of love of the mother. Another, the tsunami of the mother of one. But we are also being bathed with photon energy or gamma rays. And now we hear of a fourth, PLEIADES. The combination of these energies is what is fueling our ascension or shifting consciousness. Several light workers explain the nature and impact of photon light waves or gamma rays. Sandra Walter and Sue Lai are two whose conclusions I'd like to note, Sandra now, and Sue in a future article. Photonic penetration. To begin with, Sandra explains that the pure level of frequencies of the cosmic mother that reaches the earth at the moment is creating/giving birth to a new platform for higher states of consciousness to be anchored on the planet. These energies are a purer frequency of photonic light, frequencies that are typically experienced by higher realities. Realities are based on vibration bands. Even if we restrict our attention only to the photons, we are still being bathed in higher energies. Sandra reminds us that vibrational resonance determines reality. The realities are based on the vibration bandwidth. If we are in dense vibrations, we probably see a dense image of reality. Your resonance determines your externally projected reality, your personal as well as collective reality. The effect of photonic light, she says, is to dissolve the lower vibrations, thus increasing ours. Our focus, of course, goes to the higher light. Photonic light dissolves the lower vibrations, and we see it happening on the planet now. If you focus on the lower vibration dissolving, you will be sucked in on your vanishing. As your vibration rises, all your focus goes to the higher light. Note that when photonic light dissolves the lower vibrations, which I called overload, down, our focus is not affected and of course goes to higher light. I have called this revelation of the natural self, through the completion of our central issues and conditioned behavior. Photonic light may be taking care of this process naturally. Stay tuned. Whatever process we follow, the result is the same. Whatever the obstacle to attainment, once removed, we find our natural self. It was there all the time, but obscured by the overload karma, sadness, depression, fundamental problems, density, disease, whatever it takes to focus on planet Earth away from the divine, what distracts us, to have a calm mind, or rob us of the experience of bliss. Sandra tells us that photonic light is meant to dissolve bandwidths that no longer serve the divine will, the universal rewriting. The effect on the collective, which is the point of this service as this wave of photonic transformation arrives, will be powerful. Incorporation for some, active participation in the ascension process for others. So it will have a powerful impact on people depending on your awareness of what is happening and your openness towards it. It states that the human with high vibration opened solar gates. The highest vibrational human collective has opened the solar gates, very intense light vibrating with the resonance of the sun, the galactic center and the great central sun. This means that your solar being will begin to move forward, which in turn creates a much stronger influx of light to be delivered. As above, so below. Could those stronger waves of light coming in include PLEIADES? What does the solar being promote? She explains. The solar being has an absolute attunement to the natural world and all its secrets. Biocommunication is fundamental organic fusion with the realms, Gaia, Sun, Galaxy. This is a natural order that photonic light produces in its very existence. This natural elemental and intuition will amplify as these solar grids activate, because the elements of cleansing, Activation, crystalline in your body will attune to it. Work on it, discover the new portals. These physical and dimensional access points help us to amplify this new, truly sacred geometry within Gaia. They work with the crystalline cities, temples and pyramids in the ethers above Gaia, as well as the structures that are deep within it. Have we just heard an analysis of an important flow of energy that is fueling our ascension? I think so.